Hey, everybody, welcome. My name is Rosemary Mitchell, and I am the owner of Conscious Coaching. We've been around since 2003, and I want to tell you a little bit about what I'm doing and how it might be relevant to your lives. So, I know that right now, stress is the number one thing on people's minds as we adjust to different schedules, whether it's schooling children at home or doing work at home, and finding that instead of having more life balance, that we're actually having less because we are working more. So part of that is it leads us down the rabbit hole sometimes because we might be eating more and not paying attention to some of the things that we need for self-care, like our exercise, right? Or like choosing the right foods. So I want to just put this out there. Conscious coaching is not really going to tell you anything more than what you already know. Many of you are very knowledgeable about exercise and how to eat well. But what we are extremely good at is accountability. Accountability means that you get to fall into the pattern of consistently doing the things that will change your life. We hold you accountable. We help you to do the work. We have these fitness classes, which are amazing online. 30-minute routines that are easy and quick enough for the brain to say, you know what, I can do it. That's no big deal. And also, manageable enough for everybody at every single level of exercise. So that's number one. By installing the habit of exercise, what I found over the years is movement is inspiring. Movement can address a lot of different things like moodiness, depression, anxiety, restlessness, insomnia. And so by just installing that habit, being held accountable, being able to get it in at least 2 to 4 times a week, it becomes a big problem solver. Now, hard on the heels of movement is nutrition. The better we're eating, the more we're nourishing our bodies, the less likely it is for our bodies to register a nutrient deficit. Now, when we have cravings, sure, they can be attributed to a lot of things. The food was there, so environment. It can be attributed to cultural things. It can be contributed to physical things, physiological things like fatigue, anxiety, etc. But another way that we can approach cravings and nip them in the bud is by feeding our bodies well, nourishing our bodies, giving our bodies prime nutrition. And that's where we're pretty expert at that. We get to guide you down that path towards whole foods, eating nutritious foods that nourish your cells, that are absorbed into your bloodstream, and that fuel you and give you the energy and the vitality that you need. So, this is what we do. Our prime focus is coaching. We are life coaches. And what we do is guide you down the path towards your goals. And whatever we need to do in order to get you there, doing the research, doing the backstory, being able to partner with you in exercise and in nutrition, we are committed to doing that. So please take a look. Please, at the very least, send us a request for more information, or you can definitely download the document that I have there. It's a good one. It's on gut health. Please get that one. So important. And also be willing to just take advantage of the specials, the promotions, the bundles that we have available. And, my number is there. You can reach out. I am ready, willing, poised, and eager to work with you. So send you lots of love and so glad that you stopped by. Thanks. Bye.